Next, we'll go ahead and program the limit switches by following the semi-automatic programming of limit switches instructions. First step is running the unit all the way up and letting it torque off. These are torque sensing motors. Before you perform this step, it's very important that you make sure that these top stop brackets are installed properly so that the lip on the bottom bar comes up and hits those. That acts as a hard stop for the motor. If those are not installed, please stop, install those, and restart this process. Once done, go ahead and press and hold the up or down button. Let the unit run all the way up, and let the motor torque itself off before you release the button. That lets the motor realize that it's at the top of the unit. That has now set your upper limit. To set the lower limit, run the unit down by pressing the down or up button. Get the unit down to where you want it to be, and just to the perfect stop location. If you go down too far, you can run it back up. Just get it right where you want it. Once you're there, the next step is pressing and holding the square button on the transmitter and waiting for 2 movements, then release. Now press the square button again, wait for 4 movements, then release. Now the down button for 2 movements, then release. At this point, you have an option of adjusting the limit because it's jogged up and down a couple times. It maybe is no longer in that perfect location, so I can, hit the button and pulse the button to run it up or down to get it right back to that perfect location. Once it's there, I will press and hold the square button on the transmitter. I'll wait for 3 movements and then release. At this point, your motor should be fully programmed. You should be able to test this by pressing and releasing the up button. Unit runs all the way up. It should torque off at the top. And you can run it all the way down to make sure that you're still stopping in the correct location. If so, programming is complete.